The working principle of an airplane is based on the fundamental laws of aerodynamics and Newton's laws of motion. The key forces acting on an airplane during flight are lift, weight, gravity, thrust, and drag. 1. Lift generation, Bernoulli's principle. The shape of an airplane's wing, airfoil, is designed to create lift. As air moves over the curved upper surface of the wing, it travels faster than the air moving below the wing. According to Bernoulli's principle, faster moving air has lower pressure, creating a pressure difference between the upper and lower surfaces of the wing. The higher pressure below the wing pushes the airplane upward, generating lift. 2. Newton's third law of motion, action-reaction. When the wing deflects air downward, the air reacts by pushing the wing upward, further contributing to lift. 3. Thrust and drag. Thrust is the forward force generated by the airplane's engines, jet engines, or propellers. Drag is the air resistance that opposes the airplane's motion. To move forward, the thrust must be greater than drag. 4. Weight, gravity. The force of gravity pulls the airplane downward. The airplane must generate enough lift to counteract gravity for stable flight. Flight phases. 1. Takeoff. Engines provide high thrust, and wings generate lift to overcome weight. 2. Climbing. More lift than weight, allowing the aircraft to ascend. 3. Cruising. Lift equals weight, and thrust equals drag for a stable flight. 4. Landing. Thrust is reduced, drag increases, and lift decreases for a controlled descent. By balancing these forces, an airplane achieves stable and controlled flight.